Make your own token with Elmcoin. In this video, let's focus on just the coin functionality. In particular, let's focus on how to get a ton the Binance Smart Chain. After you create the token, next go to swap.elmcoin.io and import the token there under the custom token area. Once the coin is listed, we will then add liquidity using our swap tool. Pair it with BUSD so you can create a stablecoin. Firstly, what does BSC stand for? As some of you may be wondering, Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is a blockchain network that allows smart contract-based applications to be executed. Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is a cryptocurrency that competes with Ethereum and other popular decentralized systems. After Ethereum failed to show practicality to individuals who couldn't afford the fees, BSC grew in popularity. BSC was unveiled by Binance, a large cryptocurrency trading exchange, in September 2020. Although BSC and Ethereum are similar, they are not the same. BSC employs delegated proof or stake instead of proof of work, letting it handle more transactions per second and at a reduced cost. Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain that runs concurrently with the Binance Chain. Unlike Binance Chain, BSC has smart contract functionality and is Ethereum Virtual Machine Compatible, or EVM. The goal was to maintain Binance Chain's high throughput while incorporating smart contracts into the ecosystem. In essence, both blockchains work in tandem. It's important to note that BSC is not a layer 2 or off-chain scaling solution. It's a standalone blockchain that could continue to function even if Binance Chain went down. Are you a business owner who has ever wondered how you may create a crypto token for your company to raise funds? Enterprise Legion Management streamlines the process. Businesses around the United States are flocking to the blockchain to take advantage of the incredible fundraising opportunities offered to token issuers. Many business owners struggle to grasp how to create their own crypto tokens for trading, even if they are eager to test it out. Thankfully, businesses like Enterprise Legion Management, or ELM, exist solely to assist them. ELM is a group of internet marketing and financial specialists who came together to develop a blockchain solution that promises to change the way small businesses generate equity in their enterprises. The group just unveiled its token development program, a framework that enables business owners in practically any field to tokenize or generate crypto tokens for their company, mostly to raise finance. A consultant is appointed to each business owner who will walk them through the program's 6 steps. Migrating tokens into a MetaMask wallet, providing liquidity, perhaps pegging the token to a stablecoin, and marketing using Elm's database are all part of the process. Our company aspires to empower all business owners by demonstrating how to construct their own asset classes and use them as financial instruments to better their friends, clients, business associates, and most importantly, their communities, the Elm team stated. Businesses use cryptocurrency tokens in a variety of ways. Many industries now use cryptocurrency to transfer payroll cash for less fees and time, or to streamline vendor relationships through more efficient payments. In any event, there is a compelling rationale for any company to have one. On their website, business owners can join up for Elm's services. Enterprise Legion Management, DAO LLC, is the media contact. Fred Asbury is the media contact. Services that they offer. Development of NFT. With your account, your platform will include reliable area of NFT, will allow you to develop your own NFT platforms in any of the many compatible networks. Offer of security token. With our basic gold account, you will be able to create your token together with the most popular smart contracts available to them, tokens for betting. This website enables you to create a betting system that allows your investors to deposit money with you for a set length of time. Marketing with tokens. Elmcoin will build a formidable marketing list of YouTube channel owners who can promote projects similar to yours as your token offer grows. The project has numerous plans that cover both individual functions, such as the construction of a white paper or media package, and monthly plans in which your project will be supported depending on the plan you choose, which is even cooler since you get full support that works all of the time. Also, the project is completely open to everyone. You can view and check your wallets as well as the wallets of the project's creator with your balance displayed, which adds to the project's openness and security. Moving on to the project's teams, the fact that we can see the project team on the websites adds confidence in the project's future. These people are obviously willing to show themselves and will be engaged in the project. Also, by signing into your profile, you will be able to fully manage the future and project as well as check the stages and see what each team is up to, how it was completed, and how convenient it would be for you. The site is available in any language you want, making it extremely versatile. Learning and utilizing this project is not difficult. Therefore, talk to an expert about your options. The possibilities are unlimited when it comes to establishing your business on the blockchain. Hungry business leaders can quickly embrace the technology that powers some of the world's most powerful currencies and leverage it into large processes. The Elmcoin process in 6 steps. To be successful in our token development program, you must follow 6 simple steps. Our consultant will carefully lead you through each step when you sign up with us now. Your token will be placed on the decentralized exchange PancakeSwap and available for purchase once your consultant has completed their work. Sign up. The first step is to join the token development program at elmcoin.io. The fun begins once we have received payment and your consultant has completed discovery. Tokenize. Your token will be created next. You'll choose how many tokens to issue and what your trade symbol will be in this section. Incorporate liquidity. After your token has been produced, the next step is to convert it into a valuable asset such as a BNB token. This will determine the value of your token. White paper. Investors will want to know who is in charge of their funds and where they are headed in connection to your projects. This is what this document is for. It's an absolute must-have. The rest. Your token has been produced, liquidity has been added, and your white paper is ready to launch at this point. The following step is to prepare your website and logos. This is who you are. Marketing. Marketing is the final and most exciting step. Our cryptocurrency-related YouTubers would love to hear about your idea and are willing to promote it. It's time to begin selling. Their major objective is 2. Our idea is straightforward. We wish to inspire all business owners by demonstrating how to develop their own asset classes and use them to benefit their friends, clients, business associates, and most importantly, their communities. Leading the charge with tokenization will revolutionize the way business owners in your sector transact. With a unique focus and hands-on experience in building and customizing B2B applications for multiple business use cases in over 10 countries, the website developers have over 20 years of combined experience in web and blockchain development. As a result, you can see that they are very versatile and available to reach you at any time and from any location. Quality services are reason to choose Elmcoin site. Our while you wait strategy allows our team to get your token to you quickly. On the same day, tokens are produced and liquidity is added, whereas the other procedures to develop those systems take time. 24-hour customer service. Our chat service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your convenience. They can help you with most transaction requests and lead you through the majority of the processes. They are excited to collaborate with you. Today's current Legion network price is $0.064505 US, with $113,068 in 24-hour trading volume. Our LGX to USD pricing is updated in real time. In the last 24 hours, Legion Network has dropped 15.21%. With a live market cap of not available, the current coin market cap ranking is 4306. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1 billion LGX coins. If you are looking to acquire Legion Network at the moment, the best cryptocurrency exchanges to use are Bybit, PancakeSwap V2, and Dodo BSC. Others are included on our cryptocurrency exchanges page. If you have any questions or would want to contact them, you can do so through the website. Simply fill in your information and you will be led to a page where you may ask any questions you may have and receive a fast response.